Hello everyone, my name is Blair Brown. I am the inventor and creator of the gripper. The gripper was developed because we all have this problem. Everyone knows that when this happens, we're in trouble. So we've come up with a creative solution that's cost effective, durable, valuable to everybody. This is what the problem is. It always comes apart on us, right? All the time. Everyone has the same issue. Well, we've come up with the solution. Cost effective, simple, can be put together in seconds. We need something easy that we can do on the site that works in all weather conditions, in any cord, any situation, could almost be go anywhere. Couple seconds, you're good for the rest of the day. Always remember to disconnect. You can leave one end on your cord at the end of the day, and then it's there for the next day. Think safe, be safe. Help us, help everyone.